Let me be honest, door knocking doesn't fail agents. Agents quit too early. If you're a real estate agent who wants more listings, more conversations, and more control over your business, this video could change everything. Expect rejection. Most doors won't open. Most people will say no, and that's perfectly fine. Door knocking is a numbers game. You're not looking for everyone. You're looking for the one who needs help right now. Never knock just to ask for a listing. That's the fastest way to lose trust. Bring value, a market update for their street, a home that just sold nearby, or even an invitation to a local community event.
Hey, future real estate stars, stop wasting your hard-earned money on overpriced courses that don't deliver results. Why pay hundreds, even thousands, when you can get the same training for free? Click the link in the description below and start your real estate journey the smart way. Learn proven strategies, insider tips, and build your business without breaking the bank. Your success starts now.
Always check local solicitation laws. Respect no soliciting signs, no exceptions. Let someone know where you are. Keep your phone accessible. Wear your ID clearly. Door knocking at the wrong time is wasted effort. The sweet spots? Late weekday afternoons, 4 to 6 p.m, or Saturday mornings on 10 to noon. After you knock, take 5 to 6 steps back. Don't crowd the door. Keep your hands visible. Smile. Angle your body slightly away. Scripts don't close deals. Conversations do. Start with context. I just sold a home around the corner and wanted to share how it affects your value. Knocking 100 doors once a year won't build a business. Knocking 20 doors every Tuesday in the same neighborhood? That builds recognition. That builds trust. Don't knock randomly. Target homeowners who've lived there 7 years or more, or properties that show signs of deferred maintenance. If no one answers, leave proof, a high-quality door hanger or a handwritten note. It says, I was here, I'm local, I'm real. A door knock is only the first touch. If you have a good conversation, get the email, get the number, add them to your CRM immediately. One conversation rarely leads to a contract, but consistent follow-up does. Door knocking isn't dead. Most agents just aren't disciplined enough to do it right. If you want listings other agents never see, knock where they won't. Most agents fail at door knocking because of this one mistake. I knocked on 20 doors and this happened. If door knocking doesn't work for you, watch this. Fear of missing listings. Authority, top agents still do this. Social proof. This is how listings are actually found. You're knocking, but are you knocking the right doors? Most agents say this at the door, and it kills the deal. The fortune is in the follow-up. Familiarity breeds trust. You only need one yes. Contrarian. Door knocking isn't outdated. Your approach is direct. If you want listings without Zillow, do this. Story. I almost quit door knocking until this happened.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.